Hey guys, Captain Matt here. I'm here at my home, or my brother calls it Captain's Castle. And I just want to go through, they just finished up phase 3 of my landscape lighting. So I wanted to kind of walk you through the property and show you what all those fixtures look like during the day. This is a home where you're able to, if you're on the fence about which phase you should start with or what moonlights look like and you want to see them in person, you can schedule a time to come over here to my house and see every light, kind of what it does. I have almost every light that we use here, so you can really just get the full effect and see, you know, what's most visually pleasing to you for your home or business. And on that, I'm going to take a walk around and show you the property. All right, so, well, there's my gorgeous truck, obviously. This is the driveway. I'm going to walk down the driveway and start back up, but you see on the right side of my driveway here, I have the planters, which you may have seen in another photo. Now, the reason I had the planters is because I needed these area lights. These area lights throw a nice soft glow all around. I put them in planters. These are 5 foot tall, so a big planter, you know, makes it look just more natural, right? Because you have this big pipe coming out. There's no glare to these caps, and then the flowers add a pop of color. Also over here, we have a couple of the well lights. Well lights just go in the ground, right? And then it's shooting up and it's hitting these evergreens and even hits way up there into those canopies. So I have 5 of these lights along this path here. This right here is just a home box. This is where, so when you see a home box, what that means is that this wire runs all the way back to home, which means the power supply. So that from this, there's one line that's all the way back to the power supply, and the lights get fed off of that. Oh, there's another well light, another area light. And so that's the right side of my driveway. There's our sign. We did your neighbor's lights. So here I have 5 trees, okay? And on each tree, I have, let me go to one that doesn't have the overgrowth. I have these up lights. I call them creators. You might call them stake lights or bullet lights. These here are brass ones. This is just turned this way to prevent glare from the drivers. So these are, I got 2 on each tree, lighting up the tree like that. And then in each tree, I've got, I think 4 of these moonlights, fairy houses. Those look awesome and cast the light down here with shadows. So each tree's got 2 of the uplights, has 4 of the moonlights. And then, well, I guess I'll go back to the driveway. I'm gonna show you this during the day so you can see what they really look like. And then I'll do a nighttime one as well. All right, these guys left some wire. All right, so back on my driveway, there's the lights you already saw. Actually, I'll do on the hardscaping here. We have, you know, we call them Atlas lights. You might call them hardscape lights, ledge lights, but these are around all the hardscaping around this whole hardscaping area here. And then up the steps, we have some more of the area lights, you know, crisscrossed. And then we come up the walkway. And here I have 3 foot area lights, again with planters, smaller planters than the ones down there, but planters nonetheless, because I just love the way it just kind of all blends in with each other. And then over here on this tree, we have what I call guardsmen. These ones are the hard plastic black. Okay, same as those brass creators you saw, except for the plastic instead of brass. And these ones have the tree mounts so that the landscapers don't have to weed whack around them or, you know, mow near them. On the house here, the first set we have where the brick is. We have hardscaping lights. We call them mariners, right? So this one's chrome one, there's black ones, doesn't matter. This helps light up the brick. And let me see how to best show this to you. Right here's a sentinel, a sentry that is, because this overhang here, right? So this light comes up to here, hits that. So these lights on the front here are for the rest of the uplighting on the house. You can also see out here, it's called a skyliner, that's lighting the shingles and the rooftop. Also underneath it, you can see the gemstone track with the light bulbs every 9 inches on it, and that's up there as well. So the skyliners, mariners. A couple more area lights here we haven't planted yet. or even put dirt in there yet, so they're still empty. And the mariners go all the way down here. This is, we're not done with the hiding the wire yet here. There's the rock power supply. And we have more, whoops, sorry. More of the uplights, got skyliners. We come to this side of the home and we have, you know, more of the brass creators going up for uplighting. All right, so they're all around the perimeter of the house here. I don't have any lights up top on this side or any down lights. It's all uplighting on this side. Over here on these evergreens, these are well lights that we didn't fully bury yet because I'm having a fence installed like right here, and I'm not sure the exact placement of that fence. So they're ready to be moved if needed. So we have, I think four or five of them around this little evergreen cluster. And again, on the back side of the oasis here, it's all uplighting. There's going to be gemstones along here, but that's phase 4 lighting. So these are all brass creator uplights in the back here. As you can see, I know this is a long video, but I want to show you guys all of it so you can come see it if you want. There's another power supply, another rock one. And that's a home box before it gets put into the ground. There's one of my gemstone power kits. And then from here, so these trees will be done, but again, that's phase 4. So also have these transporters turned the other way. The normally down lights, these are going to go up. Wire's not totally hidden because, again, we're still adding here. But it's going to shoot up. It's going to light up the fence, plus it's going to light up the canopy up top here. So we're just doing every other fence post here of those to start. And on this side, as of right now, we just have the gemstone lights all around the soffit. I don't have any landscape lighting yet because this dog fence and everything is temporary. It's got to get moved so dogs have more room to run around. And then up here too, we have more skyliners all in the courtyard area. And more ledge lights here on this hardscaping. And then you can see up there where it's, we got skyliners on both sides and in the center. Yeah, and that's it. That finishes up. That's my current lighting. There's only gemstones right here. We'll be putting some up lights here as well. And that is my landscape lighting. And I will, actually, I'll just show you over here. Over here behind the rhododendrons and on these evergreens, there's a couple more of those well lights. So now that you've seen it during the day, we'll take a walk at nighttime as well. And I'll show you what it looks like at night. All right, guys, thanks for watching.